Hey guys, Javin here. So in today's video, I want to talk to you guys about three ways that you can do to solve the Asian hair that sticks out like a porcupine problem. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. If you like what you see, be sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on post notifications to never miss a brand new video again. First of all, I want to say that you're not alone. Every East Asian guys face this problem. You know, when you start growing your side hair out, it sticks out. The perfect example right now, I can show you my side hair. I no longer have the two-block haircut, so there's no hair on my top that's covering my sides, so it's all exposed now. My side hair here, everything is sticking out. From a distance, you might not be able to see it, but when you go closer, can you see? Especially here, everything is sticking out perpendicular, like this. It's not growing straight down. The reason for this is because Asian hair has a hair density that's pretty stiff, so as a result, our hair just sticks out when it's short. So if I do nothing to my hair right now, by next week, it would just look really wonky because everything will be sticking out. So I'm really in a bit of a pickle here. What can I do? 3 methods. First method, shave it all off. Why? Because when there's no side hair that sticks out. Simple as that. Nowadays, it's not really expensive for you to just go out, buy a pair of hair clippers and cut your own hair at home. There's tons of YouTube tutorials out there showing you how to cut your own hair. So for those of you who really like a short hairstyle, this is the best option for you. Pro tip is also you can grow a hairstyle that allows you to cover the side of your hair. And my recommendation, and it's been my recommendation for many years now, is the two-block haircut. So the two-block haircut, essentially when the top hair, you have to grow it out long enough. Right now my hair is short, but when the top hair is long, it kind of falls down like this, like that. So when the top hair is falling and covering the side hair, it allows you to grow out your side hair because your side hair is covered by your top hair. The second option is growing out your side hair. My best advice for you is to either wear a cap, wear a toque, wear a do-rag, anything that hides your hair. So, you know, in the summer, it's perfect time to wear a cap if you go to school. Maybe if you go to work, you might not be allowed to wear a cap, but you know, maybe find a remote job. And in the winter time, you guys can wear a toque, so just to cover your side hair while it's the optimal time to grow it out. And after many months, once your hair is grown out long enough, it will fall down. And the goal here is to minimize the awkward hair growth stage as much as possible. So as often as you can while growing out your side hair, cover it up somehow. But if you're someone who really likes Asian hair and do not mind that your hair sticks out, I would say simply just ignore it, let it grow out as it is, and before you know it, your side hair will be long enough that gravity helps pull it down. Third and final solution for you guys is by doing a down perm. There's hair salons out there that do these kind of down perm. But if you want a solution that you can do yourself at home, I recommend the D-Perm, which is this product over here. This product here, it works pretty well if your hair is slightly longer. If your hair is short like this, I would say let it grow out a little more before putting the down perm solution. This will just increase your chances that your hair will stay flat after you shower. And just to quickly show you guys what it looks like, this is the container. You know, you can use multiple times. You really want to be using this D-Perm serum generously. Let me include a short video for you guys explaining how I do it. This has been a lifelong struggle for me, and today I'll be trying a down perm serum again to see how well it actually works. If you're interested in me doing this the first time, feel free to click the link above my head, or also I'll be putting the link down in the bio description below. Right now, you can see me applying a generous amount of serum on my side hair here, on my right side. I'll be doing it entirely like this, and then I'll do the same thing on my left side. By doing this, all my hair is pressed to my scalp and everything lies flat. So I'm using the comb on the other side as well to just comb it down, so it goes in the downwards direction. Now I'm doing it on the left side, the same thing, applying a generous amount, spreading it everywhere, and then combing it down. I'm using the mirror to just see what I'm doing. So after this, I'm going to be putting this white paper over here just to press the hair down even further, and this is so that it ensures that my hair stays flat. Just like how I always wear a cap after the shower because my hair is slightly damp. It's basically training the hair to grow downwards or appear to look like it's growing downwards. And the same way right now, by lying on my side hair over here, this pressing down the hair motion helps it stay down more. So yeah, I'm just making sure everything is staying in place. I put a t-shirt over my pillow so it doesn't dirty it. After about 20 minutes lying on each side, my hair is more pressed down, as you can see. I did a quick rinse with no shampoo on my hair. Okay, now you guys have watched that video, you know what this is about. So this is called the D-Perm Down Perm Solution. For any of you guys wanting to try this out, I left a 15% off discount code below called J15. So that's JAY15 for 15% off. At the end of the day, our hair is our hair, right? It's in our genes, it's in our genetics. There's nothing really that we can change the hair structure that it grows out of our scalp. I don't know if that makes sense, but basically what I'm saying is that don't feel too bad if your hair sticks out. Everyone has this, every East Asian guy at least. And while you can, change the genetic makeup of your hair by doing perming, but after your hair grows out, your hair will stick out again. So just keep that in mind, everything is temporary, nothing is permanent. The only thing permanent is the hair that grows out of your scalp, and that might not even be permanent. Because for a lot of us, we might reach a stage in life where our hair might start to fall off, we might start to get balding sides here, receding hairline. That's something that will come true for a lot of us. So in this video now, I'm just remembering my hair. One day this might not be here anymore. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, let me know down in the comments below and chat back next time. If you're having trouble picturing my side hair that's sticking out, take a look at my beard here on the side view. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's sticking out. So in the same way, this sticking out is similar to your side hair. Before you go, let me know down in the comments below which of these 3 solutions have you tried and will try in the future. Ciao.